When there's snow on the ground, summer tires won't get you out of your driveway. Now the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 3 brings confidence and performance to driving in cold and snowy conditions. A Helio compound includes special sunflower oil to allow greater flexibility at low temperatures while maintaining rigidity at higher temperatures. The tiny slits in the tread, called variable thickness sipes, lock together for improved traction. Biting edges in tread grooves grip snow to improve acceleration and braking. The Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 3 gives you confident cold weather mobility without compromising dry and wet grip at higher temperatures. The result is a tire that brings performance to all 4 seasons. Michelin, a better way forward.